Well, good day morning. We are in New City, New York, and we are on our way to Teen Culture at Raceway Park.
Welcome to the vlog.
What's going on? They gave us all a happy day. There is a car leaving the fleet. This is the first time driving the car in the front end, by the way. Here's the number.
Swear to God, if you ever told this, I'm never listening to you again.
And well, fun fact, New City is actually my hometown. That's where I went to high school and everything. So we stayed at my mom's basement. She rents a basement here. And now we're in like a park, and that's where we left the truck. And gotta go get some ice and some water, and we're on the road. Alright, we just got here, and we gotta figure out where do we go?
I don't know.
So we just got to Raceway Park, and this stage here, right here, is not like R34 front end on a stage yet. This thing is sexy, and the paint, it's like a, I don't know, it's like a cream with a pearlescent to it. This thing is hot. Speaking of hot, it's already like 95 degrees out, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's gonna be a hot one today, but we made it. We're at Raceway Park. Now we're waiting for Terzo. Oh, and then beautiful R34. Oh. Now it's a waiting game till 10 o'clock, until Terzo gets here, and then we could go in, but we like being one of the first ones here. There's only like probably 7 people here. So let's get the day going. It's time to now somewhat set up and get into spot and are in position. It is hot out, guys. Like, it is hot, and there is no shade. It is just sun. An hour and a half later, we're set up. We got our man Russell, man in the steering wheels like always. Say what's up.
In my car. What's going on? How we doing?
It's hot.
Picked a great weekend.
Yeah. Just one of our amazing customers dropped by and stopped by and gave us all a happy dad. Never had one, and these things are pretty good. So to the guy out there who just bought a steering wheel setup and brought us some happy dad, thank you very much. We appreciate you. Gotta stay hydrated, you know. And Angelo now is a happy dad. So cheers to you, brother. Thank you.
Wild. We're already up over 60 subscribers today. Thank you guys. If you're watching this video, you guys already subscribed. Thank you guys so much. If not subscribed, we got crazy content coming, giveaways coming in the YouTube. This shit's gonna get wild. It's gonna get wild.
Our man Willie is the absolute GOAT. He gave us a light. Willie's over there. Absolute legend right there. So we got a really, really bright light, and we can see everything. So Willie, thank you again. You're the man.
Welcome to the vlog.
It's already started.
Oh, thanks for watching the vlog.
It is a bittersweet day at Carbon Kings because there is a car leaving the fleet, and if you guys can guess it, it's probably one of my favorite cars, which is a pretty easy guess because you guys already know what I like. But the car that is leaving the channel is our 2008 C6 Z06. It's not the end of the world because the C6 Z06 is going to be replaced, hopefully, with a pretty badass car. And if you guys know us and know the channel and know what we like, comment down below what you think we're going to replace that car with, because it's pretty cool. I'll give you a hint. It's direct injected. Comment down below what you think we're going to replace the C6 Z06 with, because there's only a few other options that would be more badass than a C6 Z06 cammed, heads cam from Vengeance Racing. So comment down below what you guys think. Sean's going to watch the car tomorrow, and then this Friday we're heading down to Philly for Tuner Evo, and that's where we're going to be exchanging the car to the new owner, or selling the car, or giving the car to the new owner. It's going to a good home, but C6 Z06 is the car leaving the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some fun stuff with the Evo. We got it out. We got some videos we want to record. This car in the daylight just looks sick. So we're gonna go over to the mall, do in the parking garage. And you know, parking garage videos always look good. So we're trying to take it there. Maybe we do some pulls in the Evo, walk her through her paces a little bit, have some fun with the Evo. That's today's plan. And we're gonna see if it rubs or not. We think everything's good to go. One way to find out, take it for a drive. That wiggle though.
What wiggle?
The neutral wiggle?
Oh yeah. All right.
This is the first time driving the car with the front end, by the way. Sounds so good.
Yeah, I know.
Kind of made it.
Yeah.
It sounds so good. Oh God. We're having our typical EVO issue, and it's not starting.
We're gonna get started. This happens often.
Too often.
Too often. Should we fix it? Yes. Are we
You
going
wanna
to
try
fix
to bump
it?
start it? I'll push.
No.
Come
It's
on.
not doing the feel, bro. It's not a
You could do it.
it's not a battery issue or anything.
Talk to her.
Here it is. This is it, guys. Fifth time's a charm. I gotta go through the whole fuel system because it's something that's not liking what I'm doing. You have Gigi's number?
Well, this is fun. This does happen quite often with the EVO, and I wouldn't say it progressively gets. Would you say this like progressively gets worse and worse?
I don't know. I wouldn't necessarily say that. Necessarily wouldn't not say that. Push the car so it's
Level or something like that?
it has fuel. I mean, it has gas. It's got an 8 tank. Here, push it. So if my hypotenuse is right, we did absolutely nothing.
What did that achieve?
I don't know, but watch, it'll start now. Swear to God, if you ever told this, I'm never listening to you again. God, them keys falling apart. My hand hurts. I don't know which way is
I
up.
got the magic touch. Oh, wait, she wants to. She wants to. Leave it running. Oh boy. Got it. No. No.
Don't stall it. I know, I'm gonna try not to. We made it. Just in time. What do you guys think? Actually, let's try not to do anything stupid here.
We're almost out of gas.
Yeah. Oh God, it went lower. turbo just takes everything over.
Yeah.
Oh, whistle.
Corvette is now in its new home.
My windows won't go up and down.
We have to drop everything off the night before.
Trying to cool them up by eating other hot food.
I can't scream in here, so we're good. That's